you can see that we are actually in a very, very nasty range. This is how I can explain this to you very fast. So we have two forces pulling each other. We have the geopolitical tension happening because of the war, and we have the Canadian dollar strengthening due to the fact that we have oil as a major mover of the Canadian dollar. So Canadian dollar is a commodity currency, so it moves heavily depending on how oil is doing. When oil is doing very well, you expect the Canadian dollar to strengthen. When oil is stabilized, then the Canadian dollar can be affected by other factors such as their monetary policy, etc. But the main driver right now for the Canadian dollar is the fact that oil is strengthening. So you're seeing these sharp moves to the downside, even though this dollar is actually strengthening due to safe haven demand. But the Canadian dollar is also strengthening due to the fact that oil prices are actually shooting to the upside. So we have this interesting tug of war, and this is causing this choppy market here, and investors do not know what to do with it. So they're actually mostly just avoiding it, and that's why the choppy price action you're seeing here. So